Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, Roselle, New Jersey. So Angel's been following us on YouTube for a couple of years now, and he finally had time to drop off his bike, let us do our thing. He chose to go with an NVS Audio Stage 3, and it came out great. To say that he was happy with it would be an understatement. Check it out. This is what we did. We did DB Drive Moto 6 CDs in the fairings. We did a Hertz 690 Neos in the lid and Hertz 200L. 8-inch mid-bass drivers inside the saddlebag. We kept the factory radio, flashed it, added an HKI mini DSP with a T-harness, 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4s mounted in the fairing. The bike sounds great.
Been around and brought you down, it's true. I had some dreams and said some things to you. If I said too much, I know you're not to lose. I had some dreams and said some things to you. Too much out of touch, it's true. Give a fuck, but actually I do. If I said too much, I know you're not to lose. Give a fuck, actually